There's no established protection device so far for the head and neck region beside lead glasses. And previous studies did not show a sufficient effect by additional head protection. Here we have a common head protection device that is already on the market. And you can see that scattered radiation that is coming from below is not well protected by this device. So the two-component system from Texray that we tested in our study is different because it has the headpiece, the brain protection part, and has another mind piece that is used instead of the thyroid collar, and that should protect from scattered radiation from below. What is the radiation exposure to the head area of the interventional radiologist without the head protection devices? And if an additional protection device for the head region is reasonable. So in the end, we wanted to know if what is the protective effect of the Texray system under real conditions.
We attached two TLDs at each measuring point, one on the inside and one on the outside. This allowed us to measure the dose with and without the protective material simultaneously. This table shows the outer dose values we measured at the measuring points and the inner also. And what we can see is that at the headpiece, we measured values up to 2 millisieverts, and at the mind piece up to 4.4 millisieverts in general radiology.
The reduction of the radiation ranged from 75% for the headpiece up to 96 or 97% for the mind piece. So in conclusion, we found that from a radiation safety perspective, a two-component protection device resulted in a relevant dose reduction in the head and neck area. And therefore, we think that the usage of such a system should be recommended during fluoroscopy-assisted interventions.
Myself, I was really surprised to see how much scattered radiation is still arriving on the performing physician. Although we all use all these things, we use the lead glasses, we use the lead shield, we use the lower protection devices, and still there is a higher dose.
I just wanted to congratulate our colleagues from Dortmund, and they evaluated this Texray device. I'm not talking about a specific device which looks promising, but this is the way to follow. We don't have to say, okay, that's what we have, and then we have to only behave. We need from the industry additional protective devices, and the way the people are evaluating that, it's very important. Therefore, this garment, like by Texray and maybe other companies, it are clearly recommended. And I want to thank Dr. Rohde and his physicists for this nice work. Thank you.